Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Easy Hook 3-in-1 fastener. Now let me start by taking it out of its packaging here, but this is a really versatile tool and we've already found a lot of uses for it here at Beadaholique. So the cool design about this is it has this nice little lever piece at the bottom, and this is that piece that's going to actually help you with those buttons. I'm going to demonstrate that later. But the front piece here has this nice little gator clip. Now it comes with these rubber feet on it, so it allows you a couple of different options for grip. So you can use these rubber feet, or you can remove them and you'll have a little bit stronger of a gator clip there. So if you really need to grab a jump ring or a zipper, as you're going to see a little bit later in the video. Now, what the other thing that is really cool is this actually extends to 20 inches. So this is going to help you, and we're going to show this again later, that's going to help you with those zippers. But this is great for bracelets, cufflinks, buttons, lots of different things. So let me start by showing you one of the very first ways to use the 3-in-1 Easy Hook fastener tool. The first way I'm going to show you how to use this tool is to help you with all of those hard to close bracelets. Now my first example here is a button closure, so I'm going to go ahead and leave those rubber feet on there. So simply place the rubber feet around the knotted area there, place this into your hand, and now all you need to do is bring that button over and slip it through your loop. Now simply remove your clip and you're good to go. All right, so that's one way that you can use, but you might have a different closure. So the next way I'm going to show you is if you happen to have a closure that is a jump ring and a lobster clasp. Now for this one, I am going to go ahead and remove those little feet because I want a little bit of a better grip. So now I'm going to grip my jump ring here. And again, simply place it into my hand, bring my lobster clasp around, and attach it to my loop. Simply remove it, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to show you the second way that you can use the 3-in-1 fastener. So I have Julie here to help me out, and today we're going to be showing you how to use this to help you with a zipper from a dress or a shirt. So very simply, you're just going to remove those rubber feet there, and then go ahead and fully extend the fastener. Now I'm going to have Julie turn around for me, and you're actually going to do this step before you get dressed. So go ahead and attach that little gator clip to your zipper, get dressed, and now Julie's going to show you exactly how easy it is to use.
Okay, so because it's fully extended, I can easily just grab it. So even though it's behind my back, I have a lot of room to grab it. I'm going to show you what this looks like from the front. And so I'm going to reach over, put my other arm in front, and just tuck this under, and then pull it to the back. And from the back, this is what we look like. And you see we have a lot of length right here. So this could have been a much lower zipper and I still would have been fine. Now I'm going to grab my fabric and just pull it up. And now that I'm zipped, I can reach behind and unclip that gator clip. And then it's ready to go for the next use.
And that's so easy and it's great to use. And you're right, you can use it for a lot of different lengths of zippers. So a great little tool to have while you're getting dressed. So the third and final way to use the 3-in-1 fastener is to help you with those buttons. So simply slide it through your hole, attach the button into the large side, pull it out to the side, pull it through your hole there, and remove it from the 3-in-1 fastener. Nice and quick and easy way to help you with those pesky buttons.